Grilled carrots brushed with a zippy honey garlic lime glaze. It's a summer side dish special, ready in under 10. Grilled carrots with zesty lime glaze. This could go down as a record breaker, only 3 steps to make it. Let's start with step 1, we're making a glaze. Into a medium-sized bowl, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, add 1 clove of garlic, grated. Next, you can add half a teaspoon of chili flakes or 1 spicy bird's eye pepper, seeded and finely diced. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of honey, the juice from 1 lime. Stir to combine, just make sure the honey is completely dissolved. Finally, a pinch of kosher salt, stir to combine. Step 2, let's prep and grill the carrots. Carrots are rinsed and peeled. If you have any medium or large sized ones, you can halve or quarter them. Place them on a platter, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna toss to coat and sprinkle with kosher salt and black pepper. Now we're heading to the grill, preheated to moderate high, 500 degrees. Place the carrots down directly on the grill, leave them to cook for 4 to 5 minutes, head back and forth to check on them, turning them occasionally. Your goal on this, you still want them to be a little bit crunchy. And just like that, we're on to step 3. We're transferring the grilled carrots to a pretty plate or serving dish. Brush generously with the glaze. The tough moment in this recipe is deciding what type of fresh herb to sprinkle on the top of these carrots. You can use mint or dill or parsley or cilantro, all will work. Today I went with fresh dill. Ready to make them? We thought so. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when carrots look as beautiful as this, take a picture of them and post them using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Grilled carrots with zesty lime glaze. Honestly, like me, you're not going to be able to stop eating them. Enjoy. So good.